In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the trends of the week. These trends will get you more sales. Keep following for more trends and you will definitely get the sales. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year. I have also made $12,000. I am here making print on demand content for you guys in order to motivate you and give you the right tips and tricks so you guys can get more sales. So guys, hit that subscribe button and like and comment is also appreciated. So we are here on our PC. Trend number 1, dog on motorcycle. This trend has a search result you can see here, and it is also a cross niche of motorcycle and dog niche. In my last video I also told you guys about the same method that you can cross niche two topics as it increases the chances of your sale. Moreover, dog niches are very much popular on Redbubble and motorcycle lovers are across the globe. So if someone who has a motorcycle and has a dog, he will definitely going to buy from you and love your designs, because you guys giving value to their money by your designs, by providing two designs in the purchase of one amount. And you guys have to be sure which market and niche you are targeting. It's a good one. Make at least 5 designs on it and let me know in the comment section. So the trend number 2 is pizza niche. Enjoy every pizza. Trend has a following result you can see here. You can also make designs related to pizza, as pizza is loved and eaten by many people, and personally I also love pizza a lot. It's a eating funny quote. You have to make at least 5 designs on it. Go start making designs on it, as it's a food niche and food niches get at least a lot of traffic from the audience and also loved by the customers as well. So you have to make something funny quotes related to food. You can also type above in the search bar and you can see more of it. So go start making designs on it. It's a very good niche and you can potentially make sales on it. Trend number 3 is best camping with my dog. Again, there are two niches. One is camping and the other is dog. So basically it's a camping niche and it's a sub niche with dog one. As I told, most people went for the hiking and for the outdoor activities, as we all go once in a year, or at least I went like 2 times or 3 times in a week. And you have to target this niche. It's targeting such type of people who do hiking and outdoor stuff. It has also low search results. Make designs on it. These types of niches do very well, as these niches are very related to the dog, and dog has a great lover and a great lover community all over the internet, and you can potentially make sales in it, and people definitely go for your designs. Make some sticker packs and for mask designs as well, and you will get your success. The fourth niche is love nurse like cheetah. It's again the nurse profession and cheetah, which is animal niche. Many people go for it as it's a sub niche and traffic will automatically come from both niches. And if you use the right tags, and if you want to know how to use tags, you can see my video up here, because both have their own fan base. Moreover, I'm choosing you these cross niche trending topics so you guys can cover most of the designs before Q4, and in my upcoming videos I will tell you more about Q4. In this topic there is also a gap of sticker packs. There is no sticker packs, and you guys know sticker packs are the best source of getting sales. So jump for this topic and make sticker packs and designs for masks as well. The last trend number 5, is woman civil engineer. Woman civil engineer is the last trend. This trend is for the women or for the working class women. However, it is linked with a great niche, which is engineering. Mostly we found this niche with lots of amount of search results, so it's an advantage for you guys. Make at least 5 designs on it and grab the sales. In the end, I just want to say, yes, you guys can do. Be consistent and sales are waiting for you. This is it guys, and thank you so much who are watching my video till this end, and you guys are great, and I just want to say thank you to all of you, and just hit that subscribe button, like, and also comment on my videos. And thank you guys. Have a good day. Cheers.